Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will guide you through the process of downloading Audacity app, a fantastic free audio editing tool. Follow these steps to get started. Open your Chrome browser. In search bar, type Audacity download and hit enter. Click on top link to access the Audacity download page. Once there, choose one that matches your system. Now select Windows. Click on the download in front of 64-bit installer. The Audacity installer will begin downloading. Monitor the downloading status by clicking download symbol. Once the download is complete, click on it. The Audacity installer will appear. Click on Run. Choose preferred language. Click on OK. Welcome wizard will appear. Click on Next. You can see Audacity information and click on Next. Now you can select installation location and click on Next. Again, click on Next. Here, click on Install. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, click on Finish. Now Audacity is successfully installed on your system. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below.